Mono morikito Linet Nyambana tugusuka bosio mwanchumo origereria okoboria nigo kwarurwe gochia survival kwenekya nkobarende bara abana babo hase engakeiga yomutimuko aniga gocha chinga KOMENTEKANA kwebikore byo koitwa kwa abana abanyaroka na abana bamura goika abande goitwa nigo bono bigendete kwenekigwa ritkoria rero nige kiombe gya SICOM kia barentamo ababwatani Aoao kurwasa chi sector Aoao hune choborarie ogambi abanyagitari nabo gabamenyete noborema eri gokwandira hamangana Chisegi Chiegenka nenjira choko yagayana abuni go bono barure okoboria na ase bagikeirie umuroberio oyo okwenekya buna nigo emiroberio ebwente kweneki wasenjira herengi omurikito Petwel machini na mange.
What is going to determine the success or the possibility of your story?
Eriogo sanga igoro y'echinchera cyo kubwaterana na Gokoora muchando w'ebikora byo gutachura insoko abana bakeme county ya Kisii. Nigori tsukorere kiombe gya SICOM wetero muteneri bobwerane purito mariba gyakorera Egeikaro na babwatani Aoao eriko ikera chinchera cyo Gokoora ebikorwa ebi.
We usually conduct these annual sessions where we engage the media, training them on gender-sensitive reporting. But over the years, we've realized that engaging the media alone is not enough. So today we conducted a multi-stakeholder engagement, bringing everyone on board, because we've realized awareness only is not enough. We need to partner, we need to empower our communities. Currently, defilement is on the rise, especially among family members. The perpetrators are people we know. So then we need to lay the foundation so strong from the household. We need to bring Ngao on board, we need to bring the teachers on board so that they can know how to report the cases. We have had an engaging session and we hope that whatever we have discussed will yield the intended results.
Singo nayo mu bisakuru service ya gender winko H nigonera erero byanyora wetero moroberio yiga.
I am happy today to have participated in this engagement organized by SICOM, where it brought all the stakeholders who are working in the gender space. We want to appreciate this day because we've learned a lot. And the take home for me for today is the engagement with the media. And we've seen the role of the media being the most important part of our society as the fourth state. They need to be aware of all the cases, especially the GBV, from the beginning to the end. Because I realize most of the time we bring them at the end, at the tail end of all or most of the cases.
Linet Mokaya oyoro monyagitari moteresa nigo ereire igoro yoko gendra gukina kwe birengo wetane 25 igoro yemia kwe bikora byo gosaria abana bamo asoko bori wakwarura saba ibori kwenekia abana babo banyaroka tibali kurara na abana bamura.
GPV focal person of my sub-county, I've realized a very high surge of GPV cases, being that we are in Kisii County like 25% of GPV cases are reported from our county, and we are above the national of 19.9%. Secondly, we are seeing upsurge of intimate partner violence cases, which accounts to around 40%. That is very sad because home should be a safe space for us and a safe space for our children.
Iyo tubetereri na twensi bali ba turabaiboli tunyaroko batukoligiriria abana baita sobuange na nonye ebinto byakeire no gari nyomba tagwanjera abana bawo chinyaroka nabamura banyaroko bakurara asamo na ebinto byabeire butuboke nabo gwekarakariga ine chinyaroka na roi tiarara kando nabamura barara sega yabo buna kurukari yakabire geko garako babekamo yaroreka nga matuka yabanongolete kareme chando kwanyoro umwana umura oiro bolito mwisuko mwabo no nae gwasi yunga kyo kunyarako bako gokora egenteke
nigo bono kuborirwa kwarure gocha saba ibori kwenekyo borende obuyabwa abana babo umutimoko yiga.
And I want to say this meeting was very timely. Given that we are on holidays, we also want to talk to our parents that they ensure that their children are safe, they are within their reach, they are in their homes, and above all, we ensure that each and every one of us has a role of bringing up our own kids by practicing effective and good parenting, because that is where all this starts.
Now that our schools have closed now, our children are at home. Let all parents be responsible for their children. Don't trust any relative, don't trust a neighbor, don't trust a stranger. Let us teach our children while they are at home.
Kurpoteria en Soko TV kure county ya Kisii, Petwel machini.